everybody, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for having the same hair and makeup, but filming a couple of videos in a row today. So I haven't done this one in 2 months, as a matter of fact. This is my Ear Fleek subscription. This is a very inexpensive earring subscription. It is $3.50, but your first one that you get can be $1.75. If I do not have a coupon code that I put below, then go into my subscription addiction, and they have coupon codes all over the place, so you can get this for $1.75. I don't know how they do it, to be honest. Maybe they have so many of them. I don't know. I had a little issue with them, some broken earring, and then not getting it for a while, but other than that, it has been resolved, and I'm happy to keep getting it for $3.50 a month, to be honest. As you can see, I have not opened either month. They've been sitting here. I got this a few weeks ago, and I got this one last month, and I just let it sit here. So I thought we could open up together. Unfortunately, I do not know which one is which, whether it is August and which one is August, which one is September, but that's okay. They come very simply packed in bubble wrap. They always give you a little card here, and they're also promoting a makeup course online with a coupon code. It always says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you." And they want you to show them off at #EarFleek, probably on Instagram and such. And here are backings to the earrings. And guess what? I've gotten these earrings twice. They're a very pretty pair of earrings, but I've gotten them twice now. Okay, so maybe I'm not so happy with them. Yeah, I have these twice over. One pair they sent me, I think, in June, and it was missing the backings, which I'm holding in my hand here. And so they sent me another pair to make up for that. So I had the 2 pairs, and now I have a 3rd pair. Alrighty. I'm not gonna, maybe I'll try on this one. If it's the same pair of earrings, I'm going to have a cow. And it is not the same pair, thank goodness. Maybe I will gift those to somebody or put them in a future giveaway, which my collection from my future 500 subscriber giveaway is climbing rapidly. So if you would like to, kindly subscribe and be entered in that giveaway, because I do giveaways just thrown in throughout my videos every now and then without announcing them. So look at how cute this is. It looks like little cherry drops. I'm actually, oh, how, it's red. Okay. That's pretty cool. How about we try these on? If you hear pounding in the background, they are building a house on either side of me. So on one side I hear drilling, and on the other side I hear pounding, because they are like pounding pillars into the ground. It's lovely. It's just lovely for your mental health. I love the way they package these because they have a separator on them so they don't get tangled. And oh my goodness, would you look at how cute these are. I love them. And for $3.75, I'm very happy. So I have another pair of earrings. I'm not that upset. I'm not going to contact them because it's $3.75. But I really kind of like them, and I am happy to have them. I don't own anything like this, so I think it's pretty fabulous. So let me know if you guys get this subscription. And if you do, let me know what you get. You can choose different styles of things, so you never quite know what you're going to get. And I'm sorry I have swatches in my hand from my last video, but you know how that goes if you are a creator here on YouTube. So I just have to do a little baby tiny rant in this quick little video. I love you guys. I love my subscribers. I am very happy to support other people who want me to support their channel, but over the past week, I've had random people, who I don't know if they've watched my video, say, I just subscribed, can you support me back? And it just so happens that every time, and this has happened 3 or 4 times this week, my numbers will climb, and then you know, I get that message from them and I subscribe to them, and then mysteriously I lose a subscriber. And then the same thing happens, and I lose another subscriber. So people, let's be human like beings here and good people. If you want support, then support people back. I love supporting smaller channels. I've made the most amazing friends on here supporting smaller channels. But don't be a jerk about it. If you subscribe to me, stay subscribed to me. And I will stay subscribed to you, and I will, if I enjoy your videos, I will happily watch them. But let's be nice and play nice, everybody, because it's kind of getting on my nerves. For those of you who always stick around, I love tremendously. You know that. You all know who you are. And I wish every single one of you an amazing day, an amazing week, and the rest of the weekend. And I will talk to you in my very next one. Toodles, everybody.